What is going on, everybody? Welcome on into the Faithful Studio. It's right here. I am Tyson, aka Faithfully Bearded, aka the champ of the eating competitions. If you guys haven't seen those, I destroyed some eating competitions last week. But do you ever wonder, like, who the mother of all beard companies could be? Who sets the precedents, who manufactures, who just has a million cents and you just don't know what to do with yourself when you're scrolling through the webpage? Well, I often find myself thinking that, and I think I might have found him. Stay tuned. I'm Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know when we come out with new content. So today's Friday. It's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. It's been a crazy week. But today, I'm bringing you who I think might be the mother of all beard companies in the beard product game. They have beard oil, beard wax, beard balm, beard cream, beard wash, beard conditioner, beard co-wash, beard... So just put beard in front of a name and they probably have it. And the company that I'm talking about has a Scent of the Month club. That's right. And this month's scent comes to you from the Beard Care Club. Beard Care Club. So the Beard Care Club is a company out of Utah, and Elsinore, Utah, to be exact. And what they have is they have a building where they make their products, and they've come from baked goods and all sorts of different things that the wife has done in the past, so she kind of understands making big batch stuff, but in a small batch mentality. And then you have this marketing side and this family, and they come together and they make this beard product company, and then they do all sorts of crazy things and come up with these crazy scents. They like mixing them around and checking them out. And I went ahead and I placed an order for some Beard Care Club stuff. And now this is a veteran-owned company, which we all really appreciate, right? Like, we all love veteran-owned companies. Who doesn't like to support a veteran? And I was messaging back and forth with him, and he's actually like, you know what? My hair is like down to my butt because my kid won't let me cut it. And he sent me a picture, and it's actually pretty cool. So we got some good people over at the Beard Care Club from what I've experienced talking to them. But I want to talk to you today and put them on the FRS score, put them on the scale, and then I'm going to throw it up on faithfullybearded.com, the website, your go-to website for when you're looking for a discount code. You don't have to text me, message me, and be like, hey, you got a discount code for this company? You can just hit up, you can text me if you want. Like, I'm always open to texting conversations, don't get me wrong. But you could always hit up the website, go to the FRS score and discount section. It's going to have all my discount codes. What? Come on, that's pretty cool. So let's talk about some stuff from the Beard Care Club. I just went through and placed a little bit of an order. Then he threw in the Scent of the Month this month. And I've been testing them out all week, and now I got to bring it to you guys. So I'm going to talk about a few scents here. And the first one I want to talk about is the Scent of the Month. And it is called LXIV. And I really like the labels on this. I think it looks really good. And the label actually really goes with what the scent of it actually is. So I think that is actually really cool. It's toasted coconut and fresh mint. So you think of mint, you think of that green that's on here. Oh, it's just so good. Like, the coconut is the first thing that you get. It's the long-lasting scent. It just smells tropical. Do you ever not take off the plastic things? Like, sometimes I don't take them off and I just keep them on there when I twist and just leave. In fact, I did it with every single one of these. Because those things are a pain to get off, and you can just... let me show you a beard care trick. A beard product care trick. When they have perforation seals on here like this, you can still twist the lid off and use them as normal. So, because these things are such a pain. Like, I feel like I spend so much time trying to take and then they're laying all over the floor. Then Aubrey doesn't clean them up, and then I step on them, they get stuck in my sock, they transfer to the next room. Anyway, So this scent, the LXIV, is the scent of the month. So you can join the Scent of the Month Club, get a new scent every month. But you're talking about argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, grape seed oil. You got 9 carrier oils in here to make up a really good blend that feels nice in my beard. So again, whew, love it. I get a little bit of that mint in the back, but I get more of the coconut, the toasted coconut up front. Now we're talking, you know, on a scent like this one, probably roughly around 5 to 7 hours is what I was getting on it, which was fine for me. I like that, but coming into the springtime, it was a perfect scent for this time of year. And then we got this guy here, which is just called Oud. Now keep in mind, I just picked some scents. They got over 65 cents there, and this one, honestly, I picked it because it says Oud, and I am a freak for Oud. Mike Cribbs and myself, like, we drool over Oud, all right? And then I smell this one, and I'm like, yeah, yep, yeah, not the Oud that I like. Not the Oud, not my Oud. That is not my Oud. That's the stinky Oud. That's like the real straight agar wood Oud smell. Now, I know, I was talking to him about it, and a lot of people from overseas really love that smell. Over here in South Dakota, no, we don't like that smell. So we're just going to move on to the next scent, which is the Norseman. And this one, I love this label. Like, somebody can make a company themed off of this label. It is so amazing. I love it. And it is sweet patchouli, oak, bergamot, black amber, and eucalyptus, I think. No, I don't think so. I think this is bergamot, vanilla, and patchouli. But it's good. It's good. I like it. This is a really good scent to me. I like Norseman style stuff. I like the looks of it. But the scent to me is just good. To me, like, just smelling it, I get just like a clean scent, like a clean, crisp scent. I don't really get, I mean, you get the vanilla in there sweetening it up. So that makes it not as strong patchouli to my sniffer. And then you have this black one. This is called Black. And I know you can see something on the label, but this is themed after Metallica's Black album. So that's where you have black, and then the print on here is really, really light to see, but it's trying to be like Metallica's Black album, and it's sweet patchouli, oak, bergamot, black amber with hints of eucalyptus. All right? And so when I smell this one, I get, it's a little woody, but not overpowered. Like, I don't get a woodsy scent, but I can pick out the wood notes in it. I mean, I think it's pretty good. I don't think it's as good as Norseman or LXIV in my opinion. But again, you have the same scent duration. Any of these scents, you're talking 4 to 8 hours, just depends on the strength of them. But you have a really good feel. So when I rate out the oils based on the design, the ingredients, the scent duration, and the feel, I come in at an 8.98. I'm just going to go ahead and give them a 9 for the oils. I think they feel good. They look good. Just a normal, nice 9 carrier oil blend. Now that brings up the whole debate, is 9 carrier oils too much? Do you really get the benefits of any of them when you're mixing 9 together? I don't know that you necessarily get the huge benefits, but if they mix together well and they make your beard feel good, what is wrong with that? Alright, maybe you're not getting the full potential of the benefits that you could be getting, but it still feels good. We're rolling. And then you have the balm. The balm here, alright? So you got balms, beard balms, Balm Lives Matter. A lot of people still like balm. Here's the look of it. I don't use too much balm in the summertime or in the springtime. I use it more when the humidity will start picking up. But the balm smells exactly the same to me, and it's their carrier blend, but they add shea butter, and then they add white beeswax. So that's where you get the white look. And it just smells the same to me. You got a pull top lid, which I do not like. I don't like pull top lids for whatever reason in the world it is. It says made in Utah. And then you got the Norseman one here again, that awesome label. And smells the same. You got Oud. Smells the same. Those are the 3 that I picked out. So I got good ingredients. I got a nice scent profile. It smells the same as the oils, which is important to me. The only ding I really have on them is scent profiles aren't listed on the label, which we've already cleared up in the unboxing. Is they're hard to put a lot of this on there because they're so complex. But I still like to see it because I want to know what I'm digging into here. Like Norseman, 5 months down the road, I'd have to go to the website and look, which that's kind of what they go for. They kind of want you to do that, kind of keep you guessing a little bit because the scents are extremely complex. But when I rate out the balm, I come in at 8.9. It's a good medium to a little bit heavier than a medium hold for me. I really enjoy white beeswax. Now, it's not the most beneficial beeswax because pure yellow is going to be a little bit more beneficial, as far as nutrients and such. But white beeswax, to me, I like the feel of it. It seems to feel a little bit better, not quite as tacky for my particular beard. So I like that. We come in at 8.9 on the balms. Then you have a butter. Well, normally I would go to a butter, but they call it a beard cream, all right? So they call it a beard cream, and here you go. This is what it looks like, a little 2-ounce black twist top container. This just happens to be a 58 millimeter size. Here you can go. You can see it. I've used this nice. It comes out really soft to come out. Melts down really nice. Nothing out of the ordinary that I could claim with this or say like, oh, this was super amazing or this wasn't. To me, it's a whipped-ish beard butter, and it does kind of the same thing in my particular beard for me. So really you have their carrier blend and shea butter. That's how they get this beard cream, according to their ingredients. Smells exactly the same. Reminds me of some other beard butters, beard creams out there. I used it at night. I didn't get like a ton of hold or anything like that, but I got some moisturizing properties from it. I think for me it would be a good nighttime butter. I could use it during the day right now when I'm not using balm, just to kind of give a little bit of moisturization to my beard after I blow dry it, kind of freshen up that scent profile a little bit, and probably give it just a tiny little bit of a slight hold. So I did get something just a tad bit different in this beard cream. And this was a collaboration done by Mr. Beardtastic and them. And this is the Firehouse. And this is fig, bergamot, lemon, walnut, sandalwood, oakley, cedar, and white amber. And when I smell it, I don't know, for some reason I just get a garden. It just smells like I'm standing out in the garden pruning my cucumbers off or my tomato plants. It smells really greeny and fresh, like a garden. And I kind of like that for this time of the year while we're out there digging around in the dirt, planting our gardens up. If you're a gardener, that's what you're doing. And it's not like grass. It's like straight up, cut the tomato off and smell it. I really like it. I enjoy that. And this is the beard cream again. So I'm going to come in and rate out the beard cream at a 9 as well. I like the container. I wish the labels did go around here so when I stack them up, I could see what was going on. And I know they make thin labels. You could cost a little bit extra to put them around the side there and still have them on the top for a look appeal. But hey, this is a marketing game too. We're in a business. We got to appeal to our customers. So those are things that I look at, because if it was on a shelf and I went to grab one, that's something I would look at. So as far as the butter, I come in at a 9 again. And then I would normally move on to co-wash, but I didn't order any of those. So I'm going to talk about the company a little bit. I think the design is nice. Over 65 scent profiles, which is outrageous. They got a pretty easy to navigate website with a ton of different product. They got Beardleets, which is like the athletes with beards that maybe they sponsor. I didn't really quite get the backstory on that for sure. But there's an MMA fighter, so it attracted me. Hey, I love MMA. Presentation was fine. It came in a nice box that was, you can see from Monday, had plenty of arbitures, which I appreciate. And then the cost is right on par with everybody else. And now you can get discounts. You can do like BCC 20 for Beard Care Club 20, get 20% off. So you can use that code if you'd like. And then it ships out from Utah, so I got it really quick. I mean, they like shipped the day after I ordered it. I ordered it one night, and they shipped it out the next day. So I was pretty impressed. I was pretty happy. You can even do wholesale from them. It's right on their website. You can even do private label, things like that. Their website gives you all the information. Go check out their website. You could do any of that stuff with these guys. So they're like the mother of all beard companies. If you're like little and you wanted to, like me, say I wanted to start a beard company, I go to Beard Care Club and be like, hey, I want to start a beard company. Here's what I have in mind. They would make my products for me. and we just slap a label on, and now we have a company to sell products. Like, I mean, that's pretty cool. So, I mean, they're giving you a means to the ends, or ends to the means to the ends, means and ends, if you are wanting to get into the beard game. So with the company, I come in at 8.8, and then I add them all together. I divide them by the number of categories we have. I give them a final FRS score. I put it up on the website for you all to see at any time you want with the discount code and the review, so you can always go back and watch it. You can share it with your friends and family. Bring new people into the channel. And overall FRS for the Beard Care Club comes in at an 8.9. 8.9, I think they're right up there. There's a few things that I'd like to feel a little bit better, like the beard cream. Definitely, it's not my favorite beard butter, beard cream, but I do like the oils. I love the variety that they have. I love what they can do for other beard companies or people that want to start a beard company. The owner was fun to talk to. So I do like what they do, and I've seen their shop, and it was really nice. Feel on Beard, for me, is pretty much just on point with a lot of other companies. There wasn't something that like blew me out of the water, but it wasn't bad either. It was up there. And again, they're coming in at 8.9. They're up there with the upper echelon of my ranking system. So let me know down below what you think of the Beard Care Club, what you think in general, how you doing this week. Thanks for all the support through all the medical issues and everything else going on in life. I love you guys. Share this video out with a friend. Bring somebody new into the community. Give them a hug. And until I talk to you guys again soon, be you, be bearded, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.